Pricing of forward and futures when two different currencies are involved. So write the heading: pricing of forward and futures when or if two different currencies are involved. In this video we will solve a problem on this. So formula, here formula is F naught is equal to S naught into 1 plus RH to the power T divided by 1 plus RF to the power T. Whereas in this formula, F naught, you already know what is F naught. In previous video I have told what is S naught and F naught. It is F naught is a future or forward price. S naught is nothing but spot price or current price. Okay. RH is rate of home currency. Here two different currencies are there. One is home currency and another one is foreign currency. So two different rates will be given in the problem. Rate of home currency and rate of foreign currency. RF is nothing but rate of foreign currency. And T is maturity period. Maturity period. Okay, let's see one problem. Suppose that 2 years interest rate in Australia and USA are 5% and 7% respectively. Here interest rates are given. This spot exchange rate between Australia and USA dollar is 0.62 USA dollar per Australian dollar. Here spot exchange rate is given. Compute the forward price. If the forward price is 1 Australian dollar is equal to 0.63 US dollar. What are arbitrage opportunities does it create? Here forward price is given. So let's see the solution. Write down given data first. Here two different currencies rates are given here, right? Australian, how much? It is 5% and USA 7% given in the problem, and also spot rate is given, spot exchange rate or spot price. 1 Australian dollar is equal to how much? 0.62 US dollar. USA dollar. Here 0.62, it is spot rate given. It is home currency. How you will know it is a home currency and another one is foreign currency? It by this unit, one unit currency is called as foreign currency and 1 unit is compared with other units, currency is called as home currency. Okay, also the time is given in the problem, that is 2 years, where it is mentioned as in the problem, that is 2 years rate of interest. So we can know it is a time is given as 2 years. Put all these information into the formula. The formula is F naught is equal to S naught into 1 plus RH to the power T divided by 1 plus RF to the power T. So F naught is equal to S naught is how much? Spot rate is given, that is 0.62 in bracket 1 plus RH, rate of home currency. So home currency, which currency is called as home currency here and which currency is foreign? I have already told that 1 unit currency is a foreign currency and 1 unit is compared with other currency units, that is home currency. So USA will be the home currency. Here USA rate is 7%. You can directly write here 0.07 and time is 2 years. Divided by 1 plus rate of foreign. Rate of foreign is which currency is Australian and the rate is 5% for Australia. Time is 2 years. F naught is equal to 0.62 into 1 plus 0.07 to the power 2 divided by 1 plus 0.05 to the power 2. F naught is equal to 0.62 1 plus 1.07 to the power 2 1.05 square. 0.62 into do the square of 1.07 into 1.07, you will get 1.1449 and again square of 1.05, we will get 1.1025. If not is equal to multiply this both 0.62 into 1.1449. After multiplying we will get 0.7098 divided by 1.1025. F naught is equal to 0.7098 divided by 1.1025. We will get forward or future price, that is 0.6438. It is in dollar. It is calculated forward or future price. 0.6438 dollar. Okay. Another one forward or future price is given in the problem. Forward price is given in the problem. The quotation, the exchange rate, that is 0.63 USA dollar. 1 Australian dollar is equal to 0.63 USA dollar. It is given in the problem. So you have to show arbitrage process for this price. Calculated price is, so how you will write this calculated price in exchange rates quotation? 1 Australian dollar is equal to whatever you have calculated, that is 0.64, or you may write 38 or leave it, USA dollar. It is calculated. Okay, let's see the arbitrage process. You have to show the arbitrage process. It is 0.63 is a home currency, and here also 0.64 home currency. 1 unit is considered as foreign currency. Okay, arbitrage process. First step, here we have to borrow the fund. Where you will borrow the fund? Okay, see the rate of home currency and rate of foreign currency. Rate of home currency, rate of foreign currency is 5% and rate of home currency is 7%. 5% is less, so we will borrow here, and where the rate of interest is high, that is in home currency, that is 7%, we will invest there. So borrow, assume we are borrowing 1000 and Australian dollar is we are borrowing for foreign currency. So borrow 1000 Australian dollar for 2 years at how much percent? At 5% for 2 years. Okay, so second step, if we have to invest, first we have to convert this Australian dollar into US dollar. Convert 1000 Australian dollar to USA dollar at spot rate, because we are converting today. So we should convert with the spot exchange rate. Okay, so what is the spot exchange rate given in the problem? That is 1 Australian dollar is equal to 0.62 USA dollar. This is spot exchange rate is given in the problem. We have to convert with this code. Okay, how you will convert this 1000 Australian dollar to USA dollar? See here, 0.62 it is in US dollar and 1000 is Australian. When two different currencies are there, you have to multiply. Okay, 1000 into 0.62, you will get 620 USA dollar. When it is the same currency, then you have to divide it. Okay, you will get different currency. So third step, now we have converted, and third step, we have to invest here. Okay, invest, how much you will invest? Here we are investing 620 USA dollar at rate of interest 7% for 2 years. So we have to calculate the forward price to know the how we will get in the future with interest. Okay, so F naught is equal to spot prices, you have to write 620 here. 620 into e to the power, rate is 7%, 0.07 into t is 2 years. Okay, F naught is equal to 620 into e to the power, multiply this 0.07 and 2. After multiplying, we will get 0.014. F naught is equal to 620 into 1 plus 0.14. F naught is equal to 620 into 1.14. F naught is equal to, now multiply this 620 and 1.14. We will get forward price or future price 706.8 USA dollar. It is in terms of USA dollar. Now again we have to convert this into Australian dollar. Okay, 706.8 USA dollar to Australian dollar, and we have to convert with forward exchange rate that is given in the problem. So what is forward exchange rate is given in the problem? That is 1 Australian dollar is equal to how much? It is given in the problem, 1 Australian dollar is equal to 0.63 USA dollar. Now see here, in this quotation, that 706.8 is in USA and 0.63 it is also in USA. So we have to divide here. with 0.63. Then we will get Australian dollar. USA dollar, same currency is there, so we will divide here. After dividing this, 706.8 divided by 0.63, we will get 1121.9. It is in terms of which currency now? It is converted to Australian dollar. Okay. In fifth step, we have to repay the borrowed amount with interest. We have borrowed amount, right? How much we have borrowed? 1000. So we have to repay with interest. Now how you will calculate this? With the formula F naught is equal to S naught into e to the power RT. We have borrowed 1000 Australian dollar at 5% for 2 years. Okay. Forward price is equal to spot price into e to the power RT. Spot price will be here 1000 and e to the power rate 5%. We have borrowed for rate 5% and for 2 years. Okay, forward price is equal to 1000 into e to the power 5% means 0.05 into 2. Forward price is equal to 1000 into 1 plus multiply this 0.05 into 2. We will get 0.1. Okay, forward price F naught is equal to 1000 into 1.1. F naught is equal to here 1100. It is now we have repaid the borrowed amount. It is in Australian dollar. Okay, now the last step is we have to calculate the arbitrage profit. Sixth step, arbitrage profit. For calculating arbitrage profit, you just have to deduct borrowed amount repaid with interest from amount received from investment, amount received from investment after conversion. You will get arbitrage profit. Amount received from investment after conversion minus borrowed amount repaid with borrowed amount repaid with interest. Okay, you will get arbitrage profit. Amount received from investment after conversion, after converting 1121.9 Australian dollar, and we are paying borrowed amount with interest 1100, then the difference will be 21.9 Australian dollar. This is arbitrage profit. We will get 21.9 Australian dollar. See, this question is also similar. Suppose that interest rate in USA is 1.5% and that of Switzerland is 2%. This called Swiss franc. The spot price is 1 SF is equal to 1.665 US dollar. It is home currency and 1 unit is in foreign currency, and the forward price is also given. 1 SF is equal to 1.664 US dollar. Determine current forward price and show arbitrage process. the forward contract is for 1 year. Time is also given. Solve this and comment your answer below.